Hi, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I am the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. Today I'm going to show you how to sublimate face masks. If you didn't know, GSG offers blank face masks for adults in the Eco and then also the Premium. And now we're offering it in youth sizes. So we are going to do some fun different designs today. Accessories that I use when I am sublimating face masks is our thermo tape, and it just helps hold these in place. And I do just a little bit just to make sure I want to cover it. After I get all these taped on, I have my heat press set at 400 degrees for 45 seconds. And I have a piece of craft paper, also offered by GSG. And I will lay that straight down on my heat press just to make sure that any of this bleed off from the excess of any of this doesn't get on my platen and ruin my heat press. So I'm gonna get these finished up and then we will start pressing. You can put a cover sheet if you would like to protect your upper platen, but you really want to make sure that the paper's on top of the substrate, not vice versa. And then you just want to slide it on in. And I am using the Stahl Electronics Fusion, and I have it at 400 for 45 seconds. All right, anytime you pull it off, you can wait for it to cool and go ahead and peel it. If your hands are a little sensitive, you want to go ahead and grab you can either grab an oven mitt or heat sensitive gloves. I'm just gonna pull that tape off, pull it off. One thing about dye sublimation, if you're not familiar, is that when it first comes out, the print is pretty dull. It looks like that inner part. And then once you sublimate it and under the heat press, look how great that turns out. The colors are so vibrant. It's really fun to see the transformation. And I printed all of these using the Epson F570 dye sublimation desktop printer. It is absolutely awesome, and I've had a great time using it, making a lot of different things. Look at these fun colors. All right, and the last one is camo, and I'll be honest, it is for our youngest son. He really wanted, I guess, to not be seen under his face mask. So he wanted a pretty dark camo print. All these turned out great, and thanks to the craft paper, nothing's on my heat press. These turned out awesome. Thank you so much, Rebecca and Daniel, for designing these. I am super excited about all the vibrant colors and different designs. I think any kiddo would be pretty excited to wear these. So along with the face mask, GSG offers everything I've shown in the video today: the thermo tape, the heat press, the Epson F570 printer that printed all of these wonderful designs, the craft paper, any of that. So if you ever are looking to buy that or have any questions about any of those items, please reach out to us, call your local branch, our 1-800 number, look at us online at gogsg.com, and definitely download those templates for our adult mask and our youth mask, both in the Eco and Premium. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.